Road Rippers expert. I finally done it. I went inside and I disconnect the motor. I really hate the motor in this thing because it drowns out the sound and I cannot even hear what's going on. So, I've done this.
Mission control. Are we cleared for
You'll hear the
takeoff?
difference.
Mission control.
You'll hear the
Foxtrot
difference.
19 is cleared for takeoff.
See? The motor's not working because I wanted it that way.
Full speed ahead. We're reaching top speed. Woohoo!
That's my dad coming through. See, and better yet, even in mute mode, you don't hear the motor very often. I can't believe I've done this. Even in mute, it's still the same. Yup. The motor is definitely disabled. It's forever. Everything else is still intact, but the motor is disconnected. I went inside, navigate through everything, and I disconnected this. So even if it's setting off, all you hear is just the sounds, and all you see is just the lights, but not the motor. The motor is still in here, but I've disconnected it. For all time's sake. And that's pretty much it. Bye.